Hari Om. So what's up in the kitchen today? Today we are going to make a South Indian more Kodhum. Yes, you must have enjoyed, but today we are going to make the oldest traditional form of more Kodhum. It is made in South India, oldest grannies from generations. It has been followed by the Aiyangars, and this is the most simplest and believe it truly yummy. Very few ingredients and handy and simple to make. So let's move to the process. Make this old traditional more kodam, the ancient old recipe. I have taken 1 spoon of urad ki dal, 1 spoon of chana ki dal, 1 spoon of coriander seeds. I have just soaked them, and now we shall take out the water, strain it, and start the process. Make the ancient old more kodam or the traditional way. This is a lost recipe again. So we are just going to add 2 spoons of oil. To this we shall add, I am adding 4 spicy chilies and 2 Kashmiri mirchis to give a color and spice together. To this I will be adding 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. For any more kodam you need fenugreek seeds. That gives actual taste or the flavor, you can say. So we will roast it till the fenugreek seeds are light brown in color. They change the color. We don't want them to turn black. And now we shall use the original asafoetida. This is peringayam or the hing. You can use powder also if you have, but if you have the original thing, you can directly use it. Just a small piece. And to this now we shall add dals and coriander into this. We shall roast it. Now we shall grind it, cool it down and then grind it. This will give a thickening consistency. Nowadays we use gram flour to thicken the more kodam. This is a traditional way of adding dals and coriander. First you can just soak them, then you can grind them. So isn't it different? The ancient old more kodam. Same pan will be adding little oil. 1 ladle of oil will do. And now we shall add mustard seeds into this. Half a spoon of mustard seeds. Seeds are splattering. We have a grounded paste here of all the dals directly into this, and we shall cook it on a slow flame. Believe me, I felt this is the most easiest way. No need of frying vegetables or making pakoras. We shall add the remaining by adding water. Now we shall cook it on a slow flame. It has been cooking for 5 minutes on a slow flame. To this I will be adding a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, then 1 spoon of archikodam masala or the mixed spices or the chili powder, you can say. And we shall mix it well. Always use archikodam masala, it tastes yummy, and it will have a less of spices also. So to this I will be adding buttermilk, I've added water and slow by slow into this. That's it. Very simple and easy. Have you tried this time? Anytime? So believe me, this is truly yummy. You can try this. Very simple to make, yet very yummy. Old traditional way. Yeah. So we shall cook it for 15 minutes. And now we shall add curry leaves to this and salt to taste. Just cook it until it is done. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Let it come to a boil, nice boil, and simmer it. The dish is ready. Actually, this dish you can add pudina only one herb. Either you can use curry leaf or you can use pudina. In this curry, you can use one herb, that is either you can use one curry leaf or the pudina leaf, spring onions or coriander, only one thing. So as I have added coriander, I cannot add mint. Mint is the original dish, so only one herb, only one flavor. So you can have in this form. Enjoy this. If you're loving it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. My name is Rajani Sharma Madan. And just enjoy the steaming hot more kodhum of the olden days, traditional, made by mommies. If you're liking the process and if you like this, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. My name is Rajani Sharma Madan, and do not forget to share with your friends, and you can just comment in the comment box. That's the most important thing actually. And shukrana for watching. Thank you so much.